Hi, I'm Shama Kern with Thai Healing Massage Academy. Let's talk about hip issues, specifically the hip joint. Many people nowadays have problems in their hip. Lack of mobility, range of motion decreased, or pain in the hip, stiffness. One of the big reasons is people are just sitting too much. So Thai massage can be incredibly effective in dealing with hip issues. I've developed a concept which I call the hip pie. Now imagine if you take a pie and just slice it so that you get 8 slices out of the whole pie, each one at a 45-degree angle. Now let's use the same concept for the hip joint, and you can move the leg in the hip joint pretty much 360 degrees. You start out, this is the anatomical starting position, and now you go to a 45-degree angle with the leg, 90 degrees, the next 45-degree angle, the next one, next one, next one, next one, back to the starting position. So these are our 8 slices of the pie. That's the hip pie. Now the thing is that each of those 45-degree positions corresponds to a specific Thai massage technique, which makes for a complete hip joint workout. Let me show you those very quickly. Now I won't go into the details how to exactly do them, but just I want you to see how you can apply the hip pie concept to our Thai massage work. So this would be the first stretch, first 45-degree stretch. Next one. Now we're at the 90-degree position. And now we move up another 45 degrees. In reality, of course, you do this much longer. I'm just showing it to you very quickly. Now we move up another 45 degrees. I move over to our opposite shoulder, another 45-degree angle, and be careful, this is a very strong stretch. Again, I'm showing it for a fraction of the time only. Now we move over another 45-degree angle. And the last 45-degree angle. And back to the starting position. So now what we did is that we worked the hip in all those 45-degree angles that correspond to the pie slices, why I call this whole workout the hip pie workout. And this is a perfect way of working the hip joint all the way around the 360-degree circle, and that can really be tremendously effective to increasing the range of motion of the hip and reducing stiffness and eliminating pain problems. So this is really one of the best ways to work the hip joint. Greetings from Thailand. Now you have seen a few Thai massage hip techniques, but honestly this is just scratching the surface. If you really want to learn those techniques and many more, I suggest that you take a look at Thai Healing Massage Academy's Thai Hip Therapy course. That's a really sophisticated home study video training program which will turn you into a true hip therapy expert. To get all the details, just click on the screen or on the link below the video.